Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change name for your Facebook profile. So in order to do this, let's click on our Facebook app, then select these three lines in the top right corner of the screen, go for the gear icon, and then personal and account information. Here select the name, and in the first name you'll be able to pick your first name, in the middle your middle name, and in the surname your surname. Now let's preview the changes, or actually let's add the G right here. Preview the changes. Now you'll need to enter the profile, your Facebook password, and save the changes afterwards. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.